All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2014 DURMA AD-R30175 CNC press brake. It is a 10-foot capacity. It's 190 ton. You have a 10.4-inch stroke. It has a Delum DA56S CNC control. We're running a program right now. It's a 3-axis CNC system. You have X as your in and out of the back gauge, and then you have Y1 and Y2 on your ram. Again, just running a basic program right now. There's 4 sets of fold down fingers on the back gauge. You can see here, just here on the control. The machine is presently wired 460 volts. This machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thank you for watching.